My God, look in Black River. Look at the condition in Black River. Lord, it's flooding out. Black River is no good. My God. I have to save us this much water. Me in a tax office now, and the water come like it come up more and more in a black. Watch it, all vehicles shut down, Lord Jesus. Oh God, watch it. Watch it. Vehicles shut down. Black River no good. Watch it. Watch my papa in sitting there. Lord have mercy. Watch man, it's a bicycle man. Careful man, you're jumping on the wall so. Oh. Lord God. Jesus Christ. Okay, Black River no good. Watch out. Watch out. Black River is no good. The water is just coming up in the building. Water come up in the tax office, water come up in the store them. Lord have mercy. How am I going to reach home? How am I going to reach home? I don't know how am I going to reach home. You see the water? Pure water. Oh Lord. Everybody just stand still. Black River here? No good. This is serious something, man. Oh, I'm going to reach home. I'm afraid, brother. Not even a crocodile anyway. In a SNC, me want to reach, you know? Which part you want? Which part you go? No, sir, best if you walk yourself. You remember how they so stay? The rain come no more and more, you know. People come like the sea come over. Trust me, come like the sea come over. Let's say nobody can move. If you don't look on the vehicle, let me know so high the water be. Alright, look on that one here. The water is very high. Oh Lord, the first me ever they are Black River and they look like this. Jesus Christ. Look at the water. My God in heaven. How am I going to reach home? But look, I don't know if I go down, it will go down back because I never see that stone here. No, because they are going to. Oh Lord, how am I going to reach home?